So I wanted to make a video on how to make a bootable Ubuntu USB drive. This is great for rescuing, repairing computers. We actually do this all the time. I normally am a Linux user, so I'm normally in Linux, but I wanted to show you guys how to do it inside of Windows because the majority of the people that do this are in Windows. But oddly, this process is the same because it's the same tool, UNetbootin. So right here we have our blank 4 gig flash drive, and what we want to do here is go to UNetbootin.github.io. That's the official site for UNetbootin, and you can download here a Windows, Mac, or Linux version. We're going to go ahead and download the Windows version here. And over here is the Ubuntu download, which is at ubuntu.com/download/desktop, because we just need the desktop version. And you can go through the downloads here. I recommend you give them money. They're a great place, but if for now we can just say no thanks, take me to the download, and I'm not going to wait for the download. We're going to use the magic of fast forward to just show you and open the folder. So we have the Ubuntu downloaded and the UNetbootin downloaded. I'm going to close all these windows. We open up UNetbootin. Yes, we want to run it. And we want to choose the ISO. Now, it actually defaults, if you only have one USB drive in, it's going to default to that USB. But because this is overwriting the drive, make sure you do have the proper drive chosen. So then we choose the file we want, and we have in downloads, we have the Ubuntu file. We're going to open, and we're going to click OK. And we're going to wait a few minutes because it has to copy all the files from the ISO that we downloaded and create a bootable USB. I'm playing this part at fast forward, but if you look at the bottom, it starts at 234, ends at 244. So it did take about 10 minutes to copy all the files. I just didn't want to add 10 minutes of wait time to the video. All right, and that's it. The installation is complete. From here, you just have to tell your computer to boot off of the USB, and that varies a lot. You're actually going to have to search that because it's a changing the startup order is a per computer thing. Not every computer has the same startup. Some are delete, some are press F1, some have F12 or F10 as options to boot. And what you want to do is boot from removable devices, generally boot from the USB. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll show you how to boot up off of a bunch of USB for diagnostics or rescuing a computer. If you like the content here, like and subscribe. Thank you.